Avalanche value equivalent to $53.64 and $76 a coin. The present exchange cost range $52.89 and $56.54.650. The earlier day close $52.89 456. The change was plus 0.7020 plus 133%. Backwards rate US to Avax. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for June 2024. To start with, cost at 0.13 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 13, while lows on 11. They found the middle value of cost 0.12. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.11, change for June 15.4%. US to Avax expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.11 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 14, while lows on 11. They found the middle value of cost 0.12. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 13, change for July 18.2%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for August 2024. Before all else, cost at 0.13 coins. Excessive costs 0.13, while lows on 11. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.12. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.12, change for August 7.7%. US to Avax expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.12 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 12, while lows mean 9. They found the middle value of cost on 11. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.10, change for September 16.7%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 0.10 coins. Excessive cost on 10, while lows on 8. They arrived at the midpoint of costs to 9. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's ends 9, change for October 10%. US to Avax expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant costs 9, while lows ent 8. They found the middle value of cost 0.9. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.8, change for November 11.1%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for December 2024. Initially cost at 0.8 coins. Excessive costs 9, while lows on 8. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 8. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.8, change for December 0%. US to Avax expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.8 coins. Exorbitant costs 9, while lows on 8. They found the middle value of cost on 8. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.8, change for January 0%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.8 coins. Exorbitant costs 9, while lows 7. They found the middle value of cost 8. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.8, change for February 0%. US to Avax expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.8 coins. Excessive costs 8, while lows 7. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 8. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.8, change for spring 0%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for April 2025. To start with, cost at 0.8 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.8, while lows 7. They found the middle value of cost 8. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.8, change for April 0%. US to Avax expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 0.8 coins. Exorbitant costs 8, while lows under 7. They found the middle value of cost on 8. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.7, change for May 12.5%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for June 2025. Initially cost at 0.7 coins. Excessive costs 8, while lows on 7. They found the middle value of cost 27. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's ends by 7, change for June 0%. US to Avax expectation for July 2025. To start with, cost at 0.7 coins. Exorbitant costs 7, while lows only 6. They found the middle value of cost 7. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's ends 6, change for July 14%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for August 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.6 coins. Excessive costs 8, while lows 6. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 7. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends 7, change for August 16.7%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for October 2025. Initially cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs 9, while lows remained 7. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.8. The US to Avax figure toward the month's ends 0.8. Change for October 11.1%. US to Avax expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.8 coins. Exorbitant costs are in 9, while lows ain't 8. The found the middle value of cost 8.9. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's ends 0.9. Change for November 12.5%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for December 2025. To start with cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant costs are 11, while lows might 9. The found the middle value of cost 0.10. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.10. Change for December 11.1%. US to Avax expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 0.10 coins. Exorbitant costs are 10, while lows on 8. The found the middle value of cost are 9. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's ends 0.9. Change for January 10%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for February 2026. Before all else cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs in 11, while lows now 9. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 10. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.10. Change for February 11.1%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for April 2026. To start with cost at 0.12 coins. Excessive costs are 16, while lows on 12. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.14. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.15. The change for April 25%. US to Avax expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at 0.15 coins. Excessive costs 15, while lows in 13. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.14. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.14's change for May 6.7%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for June 2026. Before all else cost at 0.14 coins. Excessive costs 0.14, while lows on 11. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.13. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.12, change for June 14.3%. US to Avax expectation for July 2026. Initially cost at 0.12 coins. Exorbitant costs in 15, while lows in 12. The found the middle value of cost 13. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.14's change for July 16.7%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for August 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.14 coins. Exorbitant costs in 17, while lows on 14. The found the middle value of cost 15. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.15's change for August 7.1%. US to Avax expectation for September 2026. Before all else cost at 0.15 coins. Excessive costs 15, while lows 12.